In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip or mirror a video on CapCut PC. If you need to reflect your footage horizontally, correct a backward-looking webcam shot, or simply reverse the layout of your clip, CapCut makes it very quick and easy. The best part is that you can do it directly from the timeline with just a couple of clicks, and the result appears instantly in the preview window. To begin, look down at your timeline and find the exact video clip you want to mirror. Once you've located it, click directly on that clip one time. After you do that, you should see a clear white border appear around the clip block. That border is important because it confirms that the clip is selected and ready for editing. If you don't see the border, just click the clip again and make sure you've selected the correct asset before moving on. Now that your clip is highlighted, move your cursor up to the shortcut toolbar positioned just above the timeline tracks. This is where CapCut places several quick editing tools for the selected clip. Take a moment to look across the icons until you find the one that looks like two triangles facing each other with a vertical line in the middle. That icon is the mirror tool. When you find it, click it once. As soon as you click, CapCut applies the effect immediately. There's no need to wait for processing or loading. To confirm the change, look at the preview monitor in the center of the screen. Your video frame should now appear flipped horizontally, creating a mirrored version of the original shot. This is especially useful when text, movement direction, or composition feels backward and you want the visual balance to look more natural. And that's it. Once your timeline clip is selected, the mirror effect can be applied in a single click. It's a very fast adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how your footage looks on screen. If needed, you can always check the preview carefully before continuing with the rest of your edit to make sure the mirrored orientation is exactly what you want. Your clip has now been mirrored successfully in CapCut on PC, and you're all set.